Hello everyone, this is Guy from MiPOS. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you the kitchen order display or the KOD of MiPOS system. KOD is an option to replace your traditional order printer to save paper or to have an efficient order displaying or the preparation method instead of having to print kitchen order or food preparation dockets. You can display up to 10 orders at a given time. Each additional order will occupy on the virtual space, and as you clear it out, these orders will come back. You can nicely see where it's coming from. You can put a name to a customer or an order ID. You can see the quantities of items being ordered. Let me go ahead and put through an order. So I'm going to add a few items of few quantities, 4 of that, 3 of that, and there you go. Takeaway 70 now has an order of 6, 7, 11 items. I'm talking about this box here. There are a few features of this KOD. If there are multiple quantities for an item, let's say for example, this first item has 4 quantity. As you prepare, one can reduce remaining balance to make by tapping on the item. Kind of gives you a representation of what's pending, what's yet to make as it leaves the kitchen. So once it's all reaches 0, that you know that all these items been released from the kitchen or delivered from the kitchen. There is a timer going. You can set a duration to give the user an alert if there is an extended delay to prepare the food items. Once the order has been prepared, finalized, you can tap on complete to bump it out. Simply tap on complete to bump it out. If you make a mistake by bumping out an incorrect order, you can simply reopen the order by going into history. So I hope you like this video. We'll catch up on another product demo video from MiPOS Systems.